Gerbloffy, safety, endurance, comfort. Rhino Walk, focus on riding bags. Xitomer, or is it Zitomer? Xitomer, upgrade your motorcycle. There's the mounting plate in the box. I had to drill these holes new to fit my existing ones. It did have clamps, but I didn't feel as secure about those. But you can see that I lose some passenger space of about, by the time the box is on here, about 2 inches. But I did test fit the 2 people that I tend to ride with, and it's not terrible. It works, and we don't ride for super long distances. So, but when it's not on, it's pretty lightweight, looks pretty good, and very secure, which I'm happy with. I got these Rhino Walk bags because they were the cheapest ones and got decent reviews on Amazon. Looks pretty clean when I'm not riding any luggage. I was afraid this 65, I mean, this is a big 65-liter case. I was afraid that it would look hilariously large, and it is large, but let's put it on. But I would say, standing back on the bike, especially with the side bags, I wouldn't call it hilariously large. It is large, but it's not like carrying furniture on the back. And I wanted it because I do often ride 2 up, like I said, and not only will this case carry 2 helmets in there, but when I go camping, between this and the 2 side saddlebags, should have plenty of room for all my stuff. Yeah, so successful project.